Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Before ngingena bafethu kuzinto engifuna ukukhuluma ngazo kule clip le, ngithanda ukubonga bonke abantu abadonate-ile this month bafethu. Usicelo Mlangeni, uSiphe Vilakazi, uNtombi Duma, uFezeka akabhalanga uFezeka Isibongo, uSimphiwe Ngwenya, uTokulo Masinamela, uJabu Mvelase, uLundi Zulu, uSihle Khumalo, uThando Lwethu lana, uThabo engimbona Isibongo, uShidika urubani, uSabelo Dladla, nabanye-ke uMlotshwa, uThengingamusho, nabanye abantu abathina ngingabasho, just bona nje bayayithanda i-channel, baya-appreciate. Abanye bayangicela ukuthi ngifake ama-account details wami. Nawa ama-account details bafethu, if khona umuntu ofuna ukudonate. Ngiyabonga kakhulu bafethu. Lawo ma-R20 eniwafakayo important, ama-R40, ama-R50, khona-ke abafaka iy'mali ezithe xaxa. Thank you, because i-channel bafuna ukuyithatha, but-ke singayiseva thina, sibe independent ngala ma-R10, R20, whatever the amount that you can donate if you feel like donating. Ngiyabonga kakhulu bafethu. So ngifuna ukungena ey'ndabeni-ke eze-Chiefs, or what has been happening around the team. Siyazi ukuthi izolo bakhiphe i-statement again bathi bapostpone igame yeMagesi FC le bekumele idlale bafethu namhlanje, which is i-26 November. Why would they postpone le game le? Cause of lo badlalile lapha few days back kuZamalek, and labantu laba babuye izola ngithi. So maybe ukuflya plus-ke bebangeke bakwazi ukuthola i-rest, bekumele futhi baye eSishego Stadium bodlala neMagesi, so it was not doable for them. That is why bapostpone le game lena yakubhethwe Premiership. So umbuzo wami ukuthi kusho ukuthi maningi amagame azopostpone we-Chiefs this season, so they're not, kuchaza ukuthi noma they won't be able to handle, let's say, traveling and coming back to honor their fixtures. I thought like Joba badlala ama-friendly games or friendly match every week, labantu laba behind closed doors laphana eNaturena. Every Wednesday, ngathi Wednesday or Tuesday badlala ama-friendly match. There are days la even badlala ama-2 friendly games because of bafuna ukuba well equipped, ukuba prepared ukuthi babe namagame amaningi in a short period of time. But-ke ukutravel ukuya lena e-Egypt bakhansela enye igame, baphinde bakhansela enye futhi uku-accommodate lama matches lawa. Sithemba ukuthi iZamalek-ke bazokwazi ukuyishaya because of bakhansela game ukuthi baye ku-Al-Masri, baphinde bakhansela igame manje yange-26, so bazoba semuva-ke, already basemuva vele ngegame, bane-game compared to amanye ama-team angithi, because of kusho ukuthi badlala i-catch up. Ngaphandle nje kwe-Orlando Pirates, ne-Orlando Pirates idlala i-catch up ngoba beyipostpone igame yabo. Sithemba ukuthi-ke lokhu relaxa kwabo kuzobanika i-confidence ukuthi mabaya kule game lena yange-weekend ye-CAF Confederations Cup, because of bathi bapostpone le game le due to ama-commitment wabo waku-CAF Confederations Cup. Kusho ukuthi ku-CAF bafuna ukwenza kahle kakhulu, they don't take CAF for granted, because if bebayithatha for granted, they could have easily send, let's say, labantu laba bangadlali or bamixe lapho o-Chesled nabanye, but-ke bafuna ukwenza kahle kakhulu. That is why babona i-need yokuthi bayipostpone igame. Realistically labantu laba iziteam bangayishaya na iZamalek? That's a big question. Ngihlezi umbuzo, but-ke sobona mengena egrawundini ukuthi on the day bamisele kangakanani, nanokuthi ubani uzothatha i-responsibility, because ethimini kumele ube nama-players athathe i-responsibility laphana inside the field of play. Umuntu athi mina as usibanibani ngizokwazi ukuyimela i-team ukuthi iwine. So kufuneka ama-player the hunger to win, ukulwela i-team. Ngifuna ukungena, okay, I think before ngiya kwezinye bafethu, I wanna remind people nge-8, is it 8 October kune-conference laphana eNaturena. uKaizer Motaung Junior uthembisa abantu, and then utshela nama-fans uthi uBatman, they can't wait ukubona uBatman edlala. uBatman uzodlala in the next couple of weeks, in the next few weeks, ngathi washo kanjalo. You can get the statement or i-clip yakhe online, isasekhona bafethu. But manje sekuyophela uNovember, uBatman akadlali, akubonakali nanokuthi une-chance yokudlala. Why can't as i-management ba-step in? Because it's not like just ukuthi bambone abantu, because uye wathembisa ama-fans. Azange o-coach bathembisa ama-fans, yibo as i-management abathembisa ama-fans. Baze bathi uBatman has been through a lot in terms of like i-fight yakhe nale team le bekayidlalela, but uku-strong laphana, ujima kahle, i-player kudala balibhekile, bana 2 years or so balibhekile angithi. or baqala ukulibheka ngazi kuma-junior ranks wakuphi kuphi, wayichaza the way lento ayichaza ngakhona. But kumfana ole kuma-grandstand sithembe ukuthi sombona just before the end of the year because of ama-match akhona. Sithembe bafowethu kunzima. As I was watching something, Solomon Mquba bafowethu, hayi no, not uSolomon man, uMorris. I was watching uChesley. Oh yeah, I saw something uChesley. I was watching izolo igame le yabo because ikhona laphana ku-YouTube ye-pre-season laphana, and I wanted to get ukuthi okay uShinga uChesley kwenzakalani ngempela, why they are not playing. And then I saw uChesley is a good passer of the ball bafowethu, akanayo leyo sense of aggression le ovesa ku-Betway Premiership or yaku-PSL. But-ke I remember mangikhuluma ngaye last time, omunye ubhuti wavele wathi abamfake aloku athesta uzoloku abangcono, mabangamfaki phela ngeke ayi-improve i-aggression nanokuthi ajwayele ku-Betway Premiership ukudlala, cause yena badinga amaphasi kuye nje kuphela. Awuyalishaya-ke iphasi, uyakwazi ukushaya iphasi, cause mangithi uMorris Umquba ngichaza, I'm saying this based on khona iphasi uChesley amshaya ngalo laphana eNetherlands. Hayi alento ugani ngoba ugandaganda uMorris wahluleka ulitrapha nakahle ibhola because beyedwa i-defense yaze ya-recover. Sikashaya kabuhlungu laphana ekugcineni. So but yeah, there's something kuChesley, but umuntu udinga isikhathi, but kumele adapt-a, kumele aloku athola ama-10 minutes, ama-5 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes lapho nalapho ekugcineni angene agcine uzoqina inside the field of play and uzokwazi ukuthi okay I have to train kule level le ukuthi ngikwazi ukumitha le standard lesa ku-league or labantu laba edlala against bona i-aggression yabo. So kula esizombona khona-ke uChesley e-improve abafowethu. Ngifuna uNjabulo Blom, former Kaizer Chiefs player, umuntu wakhulela lapha ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafowethu, kuthiweni ushadile nge-weekend, so simfisela inhlanhla naye ukuthi baphathane kahle yena nomuntu wakhe. Is it uMandisa or ubani intombazane ekhona? I don't wanna dive deep kule nto le cause I saw ama-video wabo, ngibona abantu abaningi engibaziyo lapha, but I don't wanna dive deep into leyo scenario. But congratulations to bonke abantu, to mani ulo uNjabulo Blom nanabantu bebamcelebrate. But uBlom ula kushuthi ula eSouth Africa because of ulimele, eVietnam akadlala ngithi, so ulimele, so maybe uya-recover, ubonile ukuthi hayi ngcono ngishade njengoba ngisalimele, recovering phase yakhe ukuthi by the time maybe abangcono, because ayikho into ayenzayo ngempela eVietnam because of usa-recover from injury yakhe, so uthathe lesikhathi lesi because of akusinayo off season ukuthi avele ashade umfana akhomithe, which is into e-right kakhulu bafethu ukuthi avele abe nomuntu wakhe o-straight, noma ngaba umjita-ke but uyazi ukuthi ikhaya likuphi. Unaleli Hlongwane because of beba-interviewa i-media, bebakhuluma ne-media laphana eNaturena before bahamba baye e-England. Uthe mebuzwa nge-intensity mekhuluma nge-Netherlands uthe kwakunzima laphana eNetherlands, uthe uyabatshela nabafana laphana baku-DDC team ukuthi laphana e-Europe nizobona ukuthi kunzima kangakanani, intensity i-level, kusho ukuthi abantu bakhona bafithi ngenye indlela. Uthi wayejuluka nokujuluka laphana nge-half time, ebuza ukuthi hayibo le match le iphela nini ngempela, ejuluka, uthi he was sweating ngendlela emangazayo. And then ubuziwe because of waseValu ubuye endaweni eyodwa no-Relay Mofokeng or kuma-surrounding areas ukuthi babedlala bonke since against each other since e-primary school, izinto ezinjalo. And then uyasho ukuthi uRelay Mofokeng uyam-inspire because of badlala bonke, bakhula bonke, but obvious abantu baney'ndlela ezi-different. Yazi akusho ukuthi there's something special about iValu because of manje I'm seeing many players from eValu bafowethu. I remember bekuyiValu bani bafowethu, ngizoyikhumbula, but coach walo coach lo hluphayo kuthiwa ubani lo coach lo manje coach eBotswana, ngizomkhumbula ucoach wakhona, uyikhalada, angim-understand ukuthi uyini ucoach wakhona, but iValu Stars or iValu bani angazi, years back before ngathi bathengisa i-status sabo, beba-produce ama-players a-good kakhulu, but-ke ibhola bekubonakala ngathi seliphelile eValu, but-ke naku manje sekuproduce ama-player amaningi abuya that side. And ngoba-ke ama-journalist wethu ayaphuwa ama-journalist wethu, asinama-journalist, sebakhuluma nge-success kaNaleli Hlongwane, bathi aka-advise abafana abancane, yiphi i-success? UNaledi Hlongwane usaselaphana ku-D.D.C team. Yes, uyitholile i-contract but akakadlali ku-Chiefs cause ufaka umfana under pressure. So kumele abe i-role model-ke manje umuntu adlala ku-D.D.C team unayo i-contract. Bayingakhi abadlali? Yazi baningi kanjani abadlali bafowethu abathola ama-contract ku-Chiefs bagcine bangaphumelelanga or bangadlalanga, bangawatholanga ama-opportunities. U-Eden McCarthy i-first team contract wayithola 4 years back bafowethu, 4 years. Sikhuluma nga-4 years la, but uqala ukudlala manje 4 years back, yabo. So ama-journalist wethu awangafaka abafana i-pressure ukuthi basaseku-D.D.C team, by the time baba ama-role model ngempela, then they might be in that position yokuthi ba-inspire abantu, but so far just focusa on ama-stats wakhe ukuthi udlala kahle umfana, umhype ukuthi akwazi ukuwumisela, ukuthi ngoba unayo already contract ku-first team kusho ukuthi i-team ibona something, hhayi lento yabo ama-question amanye abawabuzayo. Ngisho nje i-question like into abafaka ama-players under pressure ebhedayo, ezinye angifuni ukuzisho because of abantu ngizothola ama-WhatsApp because abanye abantu ama-journalist wethu siyakhuluma nabo baphuwa in a way. Mangithi baphuwa ngisho in terms of umsebenzi, abantu abatholi imisebenzi because of bakhona ama-journalist engiwaziyo ukuthi a-good but mancane, but abantu meningabona ukuthi obani abangama-journalist wala e-South Africa ababhala ley'tori lezi nicabanga ukuthi yizo, nizothuka. And that is why ngingakhulumi ngazo lezi zinto lezi because of angifuni ukudiscredit abantu and then bathi let's say so-called dumo or i-kick off ukusebenza obani bani. Uma umbheka umuntu okhona akazi lutho ngebhola but uye umuntu okumele abe journalist, uzokubuzela into ama-question akhona ukuthi ngingawasho nokwasho, abantu kumele balalele ama-conference wakhona bayabheda labantu laba, abanye abaningi futhi bayabheda. Okay, asimuveni from ama-journalist asinawo ama-journalist bafowethu, but yeah, ngifuna ukukhuluma ngoCele bafowethu, uThabo Cele. He was promising mefika eSouth Africa or mebuya from ePortugal. No, bekangibuya ePortugal, beyabuya eRussia. There was i-buzz about yena, abantu bamthanda, babona ngathi uye ngempela ozokwazi ukuseva i-Chiefs laphana ku-midfielder, adlale kahle, abe i-holding midfielder e-good man laphana ku-central, akwazi uku-operate kahle, akwazi ukusiza i-team, akwazi ukuba trusted. And there was even a time la abantu bekhuluma khona bethi ayi uyadeserve ukuba kuBafana, why bangamselect because of umuntu o-good, umuntu oyisizayo i-team olwayo laphana, angakwazi uku-replace osibanibani. But this season it's not promising. This season is like it didn't improve from last season. This season was supposed to be better than last season, but-ke asikakayiboni improvement le mina engiyi-expect-ile from uThabo Cele. That is why masikhuluma kuma-conversation sithi okwamanje kumele badlalise uNgcobo cause uCele ayikho into etheni e-tangible ayinika i-team for mina bafowethu. Maybe nina niyibona different. When I watch uCele, ama-passes like izinto ziningi, but ngoba sengikhulume ngazo ama-clip angiyiboni kuCele. What went wrong? Is it i-confidence ukuthi akasadlali every game or ama-game amaningi, even uqala from the bench, so maybe akanayo i-confidence as before? Or is it maybe system different, ucoach Nabi bekakholelwa kuCele not lama co-coaches? What is happening? Because clearly khona into wrong. Confidence yakhe down, yini ama-plans wakhe wa this season? Yeah, hhayi ziyakhala bafowethu, ziyamkhalela uCele, but siyasithemba ukuthi uzobuya and a-improve abe ngcono. URinelo Elithulunyana bafowethu, one of the best midfielders mina engike ngambukela ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Umuntu bekangaliluzi ibhola kalula, yazi umjitayi bekagudi kakhulu. Uthe angakujabulela ukuthi a-coach-e i-Kaizer Chiefs ngelinye ilanga. Usaqala uku-coach-a obvious laphana eBotswana bafowethu, but izinto zakhe azimhambeli kahle eBotswana. Kusho ukuthi it's just i-journey yakhe eqala laphana eBotswana, but-ke kumele enze kahle eBotswana ukuthi maybe i-Chiefs iqale ukumnothisa. It's not just gonna be easy ukuthi yena coach i-Kaizer Chiefs out of the blue. So ukukhula kwakhe kancane kancane, nalapha eBotswana ziyamkhalela because of ama-match akawawini. But yeah, uthe yena ufuna noma uyafisa ukucoach i-Chiefs. Let me quote him. Uthi most definitely I would love to Oh man, it would be a great honor be to be a coach of Kaizer Chiefs or to coach Kaizer Chiefs. Yabo. I don't think khona umuntu emhlabeni or coach ongafuni ukucoach i-Chiefs. I mean the magnitude of the team and to feel that pressure and to be there, to be abantu bakhulume ngawo every corner of the country, every decision oyenzayo, every replacement ku-online iyatrenda, hundreds of people bakhuluma ngayo lento le. But yeah, it's a big team, it's a very big team enkulu kakhulu. Angazi, I will just ask this thing. I'm not gonna stay kule. Njengoba uMujela noNkubu babekwe laphana kuma-transfer list, 0K for lesi ama-big threes akwazi ukusayina abadlali noma basayine aba-ede emathimini wabo or not, or kumele baye emathimini amancane boMujela. Because ikhona inkinga enkulu, ngeke bavele babafake kuma-transfer list abatravelanga nokutravela nabo laphana ezistelisi, njengoba bebodlala ne-AS Otoho abayishaye 1-0 ngama-last minute makoro Cupido bebangekho labadlali labo. Kuyabonakala ukuthi abasena-future laphana ku-Stelis. Imaphi ama-team angasana labadlali laba? I saw I saw something, statement se-Chiefs bafethu. I-Chiefs that time ba-release-a u-Happy Mashiyane noSamukelo Zwane bathi ama-players lawo o-2 ama-product we-Kaizer Chiefs Academy. uMashiyane udlala i-left back aphinde ayidlale i-left wing, uletha i-experience enkulu from i-CAF Champions League. uZwane-ke yena-ke ubonwa ngomunye wabadlali aba-talented kakhulu ebholeni lase-South Africa futhi mncane. Kuthiwa-ke njengoba babahambisile laphana baya laphana ku-loan kuSwelele FC, ba-expected ukuthi bathole i-game time. Yilo igama eli-important bafowethu. Bayiswe kuphi? KuSwelele ukuthi bathole i-much needed game time. That's the statement. So bathi babafisela inhlanhla for the rest of the season and looking forward to welcoming them back to Naturena soon. Kusho ukuthi kumele bathole i-game time kuSwelele FC and then-ke bazobabiza back isizini mayiphela, because of kusho ukuthi lapha kuSwelele bazohlala isizini yonke bafowethu, the whole season bakuSwelele, and then bazobajaja based on ukuthi eSwelele badlalile. Much needed game time. Well, izinto azikakahambi, azikakabafeyivi laphana kuSwelele. Siyazi ukuthi izinto zingaba ngcono kakhulu, but so far kunzima kakhulu. Njengoba bengike ngasho ukuthi they're not even making the match day squad, but sibafisela inhlanhla ngoba ne-team ibabhekile, iyaba-track ukuthi badlala kanjani. Are they playing, are they not playing, are they making the match day squad? Babheke nje progress yabo, but-ke isase-slow okwamanje. Ngicela as we are heading to the weekend, ngicela but-ke okwamanje ngizoyibamba la, sobuya ngezezamalekhe sibone ukuthi mhlawumbe i-starting lineup esingakwazi ukusebenza, sibheke namanye ama-player angabuya laphana or potentially ama-player angaselekthwa for leya match leya. Ngicela ukuyibamba lana bafowethu, qhubekeni ni-like ni-subscribe. Ngibonge futhi bafowethu kubo bonke abantu abadoneyithayo lawo ma-R20. R20 goes a long way bafowethu. If you wanna ukufaka something, go to ekuqaleni kweclip kula engiphaste khona isithombe sama-details and everything. Danko.